Hey, welcome back to part 2. It doesn't really sit in there on left spin, but let's give it a try anyway. Garbage! Yeah, you can't do left spin on this. Hasbro, you're freaking F up. You lied. Left spin doesn't work. Because I got the launcher that you have here, the right and left spin launcher. Put it on the right side. It's fine. It does its job. Put it on the left. Like Hasbro, you didn't put any clips in there to catch on this. You know? It clips on the right way, as you can see if I put it in white. But left. Wow! Worst launch ever! Seriously, Hasbro, you blow when it comes to this bay. Like, how the hell are you supposed to stay in there to hold, to put it in left spin? Because like you clearly say right here, it spins right or left, and yeah, it only spins right, Hasbro. You can't get it to spin left on this freaking launcher. Launcher's only for white spin bays. But you know what? We're not giving up. We're going to try out the other launcher. We're going to put it in left spin, and we're going to see if this one actually works. Oh, wow! Amazingly, freaking amazingly, this launcher would take Legend SPRYZEN S3 in left spin mode. So let's get the left spin going. It's a little bit more jumpy in left spin mode. So let's see if we could do that again. Yeah, it doesn't want to go in there. Like one pawn wants to go in there and that's about it. Yeah, this bay is only meant for white spin. Yeah, the bay's tells it's white spin bay only. So let's spin there behind. Because when you put it on in the white way, to spin white, yeah, it goes in there, it stays on there, you know, it does its job. But when you put it on left, no matter what launcher, yeah. So Hasbro, if you come up with a recolor of this bay, please fix the freaking issue, the main problem, and make it where it had the little latches, you know, on the inside to let into here, so that it could actually spin in left spin mode. Because having left spin, it's just like, nope, nope, nope. I might as well take my fingers and just hold it like this. Wow, actually my fingers hold it in left spin mode. And then, you know what? I'm going to steal a move from Free, you know? That uses Fender in the show. Not a launcher, hand launch, left spin mode. Special move. Left spin. It spins left. Yay! That's how you get this bay to spin left. Or you hold it like this and you go like that. Turn. It works. It freaking works. Yay! I finally figured out the trick, Hasbro, on how to get it to work to spin left. Left. Yeah. You effed up, Hasbro. Don't put your claim on the package that this bay can spin right and it can spin left. No, just tell the truth. This bay can only spin white. Just like every other bay that you made. It's a white spin only bay. Left spin does nothing. It's nothing. You can't get it to hold into the launcher in left spin mode. You have better luck just putting it like this for your hand. And it actually spins longer. Wow. That's the only way that you're going to get this bait to spin left. So yeah. White spin bay only. So anyone who wants to pick up this bay, pick it up for collection purposes, pick it up for parts, but do not think that you're going to do what Hasbro's telling you that it does on the back, that, wow, this bay can spin in the opposite direction of left spin bay. No, it can only spin white. So do not believe what's on the box, because as you can see it for yourself, it does not latch in there. No matter what launch I'm using, if I'm using the one that came with it, or if I'm using this one, both of these can go left, white. They don't do anything. This bay, left white bay, is only a white spin bay. No left spin bay. So, it's garbage on the gimmick. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Beyblade Burst Evolution, SWiTCH STRiKE, Legend SPRYZEN S3 D30 TB06 Hasbro starter set. Remember to rate, subscribe, and comment. Alright, thanks.